Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bethesda Chronomark Smart Watch and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your watch is not working, if it's not responding, if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing with your device or pairing with your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because it will all be wiped off of it. But that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this is if you just, if you're using it on a new phone, for example, or if you're giving it to somebody, just whatever reason you want to get a totally fresh start, we can just go ahead and do this. Now you're going to need to unpair it and repair the watch from the app after you do this reset, just to make sure everything can be started fresh. But basically you're going to go to the settings menu, and from the settings menu you're going to go to the about screen, and then from the about screen you'll go to reset this watch to its factory settings. From there you might get a confirmation screen, but then it will reset the watch to its out-of-the-box factory defaults.